project was very good, and I think it will finish up being beneficial. Obviously, with the price of the electricity these days, hopefully it will benefit me in the long run. I'll tell you how it originally started. I was just looking through on the internet on my phone, browsing, and solar panels came up, so I phoned and inquired just what the situation was. The chap who come round taught me through all the process, the ins and outs of the job, and I went forward from there. He had some money in the bank. I thought, well, rather than that being stood at bank making no interest, I might as well put it to some use. So I got in touch with them, arranged it all, and installation followed. There's 8 panels, can create up to 3.6 kilowatts hour per day, depending on the weather. And I also have a storage battery, which obviously when they're not producing anything, the battery supplies as much as it can before it runs dry. Chose the solar power because it's going to be the thing of the future anyway. So I thought I might as well get it done now while I've got the money available, and see just how much it does benefit me. You know, a couple of weeks in, when we had that really good weather, on one day it produced up to 14.7 kilowatt hours. The project team that come, I was highly satisfied with their workmanship. Basically, from arriving, they're on the way home in 4 hours, job done.